Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be telling you how you can actually use this kind of energy ring around the punch hole mobile phone in the Poco M2 Pro. As you can see right now, I'm using the Poco M2 Pro, which has the energy ring going on the around the camera. So this will get activated whenever I charge the mobile phone. As you can see right now. So even this ring will decrease based on the battery capacity as well. So right now it's 32%. So the ring size is pretty small. So as soon as the battery size increase, the ring also will completely full. And when the battery is decreasing, the ring also gradually will decrease the size as well. So right now you can see. So in this video I'll be discussing this energy ring which is used in the Poco M2 Pro, and definitely if you are interested to know, you can check the links in description and join my Telegram group. In my Telegram group I'll post all the APKs for the wallpapers and this kind of interesting applications. So try to join in the Telegram group and stay up to date about this live wallpapers and punch hole wallpapers as well. So all the links will be available in the description for each and every detail. So try to check the links in description for more details. So let's get started with this application. The application name is, so as I said, the application name is Energy Ring, as you can see basically. So on this name Energy Ring, there are so many other applications which are available. So try to download the general edition only. So if you download the general edition, then only you will get this kind of energy ring working. So if you try to use the any other punch hole mobile phones, as you can see application, sometimes it doesn't work. So try to use the general edition. So once you download the general edition, you do get this kind of interface. So you need to give the permission to the accessibility here. So go to the accessibility and go to the more download services. So you need to turn it on. So once you on, then you do get this kind of option where you to choose the thickness of the ring. As you can see, the more thick it is, the more it is visible clearly for you in case if you want to know. So this helps in this way. As you can see, even you can start and ring origin as well, from which area you want to start it. As you can see friends clearly, if you want to start from 12 o'clock, you can keep it here. So usually I'll start every time at 12 o'clock. So I'll know when the battery is full, it comes full and it will decrease slowly. Even you can have the option of showing on the lock screen as well, and there is option for the ring direction where you can change which direction you want when it's charging. So right now I selected the bi direction, so let me show you. So right now it's coming in the clockwise, bi direction and anti-clockwise. You can see clearly. So even you can use the auto run, auto hide on the full screen applications, but I'll not enable that one. So you can have the different animations as well. No animation, that will stay at same position. Accelerate and deaccelerate. So as you can see, there's a kind of swing going on here. So there's a kind of bounce animation. So there are plenty of new animations are available in this kind of energy ring. So right now, as you can see friends, so this looks pretty good on the Poco M2 Pro since it has got the punch hole mobile phone on the top. So definitely try to download this application and try to use this kind of good looking wallpapers as well if you are using the Poco M2 Pro. So do check the links in description for the Poco M2 Pros what wallpapers I'm using. But overall, this is a quick review on the energy ring in this phone. And another one of the best thing I like about this application is that you can have the different colors for each and every battery indication. For example, right now the battery is 33%. The color got changed to the blue color, as you can see clearly. So when it's below 32, when it's 32, it will be red, and after reaching the 36 degrees, when it comes to 37, it will become yellow. So in this way you can actually increase or decrease this kind of limit. So minimum and maximum where you want which color you want. So this is one advantage to get to know which charging percentage you are. Definitely friends, try to download this application and do let me know if you are having any other applications in your mind. I'll try to make a video on that one as well. As always, do subscribe to my channel and do check the links in description for this wallpaper what I'm using. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.